Hello students, today we shall learn the next problem. A symmetrical double T section has flange width of 1200 mm and 140 mm thick. The overall depth of the beam is 1700 mm and thickness of each rib is 150 mm. The member is pre-stressed with an effective pre-stressing force of 1500 kilonewton through the cables located at a distance of 150 mm from the soffit. The characteristic strength of concrete is 40 Newton per mm square. Assuming that grouting is 100% effective, determine the ultimate moment of resistance of the system. Section. Adopt IS 1343 provisions. So here you can observe in the question, they have given, assume that grouting is 100% effective. So they have done the grouting for the duct. So grouting ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಯಾವ್ದಾಯ್ತು, post tension beam ಆಯ್ತು. As well as grouting ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, it is effectively bonded. So we will be looking at the table number 11. So table number 11 ನ ನೋಡ್ತಿರ್ತೀವಿ. So this will be the type of beam which is given in the question. The overall width is 1200 mm, overall depth is 1700. Each web is having the width of 150 mm. So this will be the flange depth df. This is what they have given, and it is also given that the tendons are present, cable is present at 150 mm from the soffit, 150 mm. Then this will become effective cover and this will become the effective depth 1550. The pre-stressing force is given 1500 kilonewton. Characteristic strength. So here we have to assume a value of Fp, that is 1600 Newton per mm square, Fp value. So the stress is equal to force by area of cable. The area of cable is unknown, so we can calculate the area of cable. So in case where the area of cable is not given, we can assume some value of Fp. Usually it is assumed as 1600 Newton per mm square. Assume ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ, AP ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. AP ಏನಿದು, this is the area of steel or area of cable per web. Okay, na? So total area of steel required in the beam. So assuming that the neutral axis is within the web, ಅಂದ್ರೆ XU greater than DF. DF ಅಂದ್ರೆ depth of flange. Neutral axis ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಟಾಪ್ ಎಂಡ್ ಇಂದ ನ್ಯೂಟ್ರಲ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಸ್ಗೆ XU ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. So we all know that AP is equal to APF plus APW, that is area of cable for the flange, area of cable for the web. Total will be ಏನು ಬಂದಿತ್ತು, 4687.5 mm square. We also have this formula, APF is equal to 0.45 FCK into BF minus BW into DF by FP. Here one thing you should note down, that the width of the beam, that is BW, is taken twice because we have two webs. One web the width is 150 mm. We are considering two webs, so we have to multiply the width of web as 2 into 150 is equal to 300 mm. Substitute the value of BW as 300 mm. The remaining you will get the answer as 1417.5 mm square. From this you can substitute it here and get the value for APW as well. Then according to table number 11, you have to calculate the ratio AP FP by BD FCK. is directly proportional to APW FP by, instead of B we have to substitute BW DFCK. Here you should observe that BW is 300, not 150. You should be very careful here while substituting. The ratio came out as 0.28 from table number 11 for post tension case. For the value of 0.28, so for the value of 0.28 in table number 11, so we don't have 0.28, we have the value for 0.25 and 0.3. 0.9 and 0.85. In between these two values we have to get the interpolation value. So after interpolation we got 0.53. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 0.87 ಸಿಕ್ತು, FPU by 0.87 FPE ಗೆ 0.87 ಸಿಕ್ತು, XU by D ಗೆ 0.53 ಸಿಕ್ತು. So XU value 821.5, which is greater than depth of flange. Depth of flange ಎಷ್ಟಿತ್ತು? 140 mm. Alright. So after getting these two values, substitute the values in this formula, the second formula. Moment of resistance mu is equal to FPU APW into D minus 0.42 XU plus FP APF into D minus DF by 2. Substitute the values and get the answer. In the beginning we had assumed FP value. What is that FP? FP is stress. Stress is equal to force by area formula FP. Here from the table we got the value of FPU. PU ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು, ಆ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು, FPU ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆನಾ? We got the answer as 8128.3 kilonewton meter.